Hey guys, Betty here, your friend, your host, bringing you this delicious Hamburger Parmesan right here on Carblessly Delicious, where low-carb recipes are uploaded every week. In this video, we're taking simple ground beef and shaping them into these beautiful miniature meatloaf patties, coated with a yummy tomato sauce, bursting with tasty Italian herbs and spices, and topped with a lovely bed of cheese, a quick and easy dish. Are you ready? Well, meet me in the kitchen. As always, my lovely friends, all ingredients used in this recipe are listed for you in the description. Over to the cutting board, guys. This is where all the magic happens in the kitchen. Dicing our veggies as finely as possible. We have orange and green bell peppers and 1 onion. Let the magic begin. Here you have it. Let's move on. Guys, we're taking our ground beef here to make miniature meatloaf patties. I'm using my miniature processor to crush these pork rinds here, which are replacing the breadcrumbs that are normally used in meatloaf to help bind the loaf together. Well, guys, our crushed pork rinds will achieve that same goal with absolutely 0 carbs and 0 worries, allowing you to indulge in meals like this, which will otherwise be off limits for those who are watching our carbs or on keto or managing type 2 diabetes. And if you don't have a food processor on hand, my friends, no worries. You can place your pork rinds into a plastic Ziploc bag and use a tenderizer, mallet, or a hammer to get the same results as we have here. Now let's get our ground beef seasoned. I'm blending together my gourmet burger seasoning, minced onion, garlic powder, and garlic and herb seasoning. Let's get this blended into the bowl. Next, our crushed pork rinds. Four tablespoons of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Make sure your ketchup has no sugar added, guys. Sprinkle a dab of black pepper and a dab of sea salt. Two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And guys, our diced veggies over here, we're only going to use half of them to combine our meat and save the remaining half for our delicious tomato sauce. And goes half the diced onions, half of the green bell peppers, and half of the orange bell peppers. And by the way, my friends, I love you guys so much. And I enjoy getting these videos out to you so you guys can eat healthy. So do me a huge favor, my friends. Don't forget to smash that like button and return a little love back to your girl. Okay, in goes 1 large egg. This serves as a binding agent as well to hold our patties together. Give it a good whisk first. Then let's pour our eggs over this huge mountain we got going on in this bowl. Now, my darlings, this is why I'm wearing my gloves. If you haven't noticed, it's time to dive in with our hands to combine our mixture together. We want to gently fold our mixture until all the ingredients are blended together well. And guys, your hands are the best utensils to get this job done. Roll a ball and flatten it into the shape you desire. I'm going with the oblong shape for visual appeal. Now, all y'all know the majority of people eat with their eyes. Restaurants and professional chefs know this too, and that's why they focus on presentation. Presentation, y'all. So I'm not a chef, but I sure enjoy the beauty of good-looking food. Oh, yeah. Now press along the sides to make sure you close in all the cracks. You want a nice and firm patty that won't fall apart under the heat. Oh my goodness, I feel that word was for somebody. Don't fall apart, darling. Whatever you're doing or whatever you're going through, you will get through it, okay? Just like this meatloaf in the heat, you're going to stick together. All right, that word was for somebody, y'all. Okay, flip these bad boys over on the other side. Now to our sauce. Again, you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description for you. Coat the bottom of your pan with olive oil. Sauté the remaining of the diced veggies, onions, and our green and orange bell peppers until nicely tender and the onions become translucent. In goes our delicious spices, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and basil. Oregano. And 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. No worries, guys. We're using Truvia made with stevia, which does not spike your sugar levels. So those of you managing diabetes can enjoy this recipe worry-free. In goes our tomato sauce. Mix and cover. Oh my, look at those finely diced veggies and herbs in this sauce. Go ahead and smash that like button if your taste buds are watering right about now. Oh my goodness! Pour a generous amount of sauce over each patty, top with a spread of shredded cheddar cheese, and top that with another layer of mozzarella. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Oh, these are beautiful. What we have here are loaded miniature meatloafs that are ready to go into the oven. And once the delicious cheese melts, we're going to have one of the delicious parmesans that you've ever tasted. I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like straight out of the oven. Cover with foil, bake in a preheated oven set at 375 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Basically just to melt the cheese because our patties are already done. And look at this, guys. Does this look delicious or what? Leave me a comment and really, guys, let me know your reaction. For me, I know my mouth is watering right about now. Keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I plated these babies. There are many low-carb, gluten-free pasta products on the market these days, so go ahead and plate your Hamburger Parmesan with low-carb pasta like I'm doing here with mine. Or, my friends, you can even eat this as a sandwich, placing your Parmesan burger between 2 low-carb buns and pouring extra sauce over the top. Yummy, yes. However you choose, go ahead and get your groove on, my guys. Let me know in the comments how you would plate your dish and what twist would you put on yours to make it your very own. I want to hear back from you guys, okay? A warm welcome to all our new subscribers. Welcome aboard. We are growing as a community of health-conscious individuals. Recipes are uploaded every week. And if you haven't already, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you can receive healthy low-carb meal ideas and live your best life. Cheers to my returning subscribers. I love you guys and appreciate you so much. Leave a comment. May you all prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. Stay blessed until next time. Bye.